उठती गई और मुझे तब इतना ये लगा कि हाँ सच में ये करना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं कि बस मैम ने बोला कि मैंने पढ़ाई की इसीलिए नहीं, मुझे सच में करना चाहिए ये तो। टैप्स मतलब मैं क्या बोलूं, स्पॉन्टेनियसली दे कमिंग, नो नो आई हैव टू से थैंक यू टू wall, to the floor,
Hmm.
anything. Then I start, and I think 45 minutes I continuously do this, कि
Okay.
नहीं नहीं उसको बोलूँ, हाँ उसको बोलूँ, हाँ इसको बोलूँ। तो मेरा मेरा मूड भी उतना ही अच्छा तो होते गया, तो ये दिस इज वाज बेस्ट।
Very nice. So that means you could see the shift when you were doing this practice continuously, like you could see the change in your energy, in
यस।
your aura, in your vibration, your frequency, like everything changed. You started being
एंड
happy.
सुबह से मैं वेट करती हूँ क्या कब मैं क्लास में आऊंगी और मेरा मूड और ज्यादा अच्छा हो जाएगा। और मैं कितना मतलब मैं जब आई एम अ हाउस मेकर, यू नो, बट आफ्टर यू कमिंग इन माय लाइफ ना, मेरा जो लर्निंग का जो क्यूरियोसिटी है, मुझे और जानना है, मुझे और जानना है। अभी तो मुझे लग रहा है नहीं नहीं मुझे अगले वाला भी मंथ कुछ भी करना है, इसके साथ अटैचमेंट मुझे रखना चाहिए। बिकॉज
Yeah.
लास्ट दिसंबर आई डिड योर क्लास ना, अब आफ्टर द गैप ना मुझे लगा कि मैं सब भूल गई, मैं करना ही छोड़ दिया। तो मुझे
Hmm.
अटैचमेंट रखना चाहिए, आई थॉट।
Yes. सो
एंड
ये मीन
हाँ
कि
हाँ,
अभी तो मैं
वन
शुरू
थिंग।
हुई हूँ, अभी तो इशिता शुरू हुई है। अभी तो इशिता एक बेबी है, अभी तो सीड वो सोन हुआ है, नाउ शी हैज टू ग्रो लाइक अ ट्री।
एंड 19 अगस्त इज माय बर्थडे। तो टुडे माय हस्बैंड आस्क्ड मी कि तुम्हें अपने बर्थडे के लिए क्या चाहिए। तो मैंने उसे बोला कि तुम अभी मत दो, मुझे मतलब ज्ञान देना, मतलब तुम पैसा देना, मैं और ज्यादा सीख सकूं। तो मुझे ज्ञान देना एज अ गिफ्ट।
या
तो बोले ठीक है ठीक है।
लेट द टाइम कम। श्रुति मैम का ले लो। श्रुति मैम का ले लो डायमंड। डायमंड बन जाओ, हमारे साथ आके सेशन अटेंड करो।
लेट्स सी।
If you want to like that. Okay, so if you want to go ahead with me, so there is another journey, so you can join with me as well.
ओके ओके, वी टॉक लेटर
Okay.
अबाउट इट। तो आप
Yeah,
मुझे बोलना कि क्या है क्या नहीं।
yeah,
तो
definitely we will talk
आई
on
थिंक
that.
अबाउट।
Okay. Yes.
ओके।
Yes.
मैम बट सही में ये चीजें ना एकदम ऐसे हो गए कि अभी आते जाते मैं रास्ते में जा रही हूँ, मैं स्कूटी चला रही हूँ,
हाँ
एंड
हाँ।
आते जाते हर
Hmm.
चीज के लिए थैंकफुल हो रही
मैं
हूँ। ओ माय
पेड़
गॉड मेरे
देख
पास
रही हूँ तो
स्कूटी है,
बाप रे
थैंक
कितना
यू।
अच्छा पेड़ है, थैंक यू फॉर द पेड़,
हाँ
ऐसा
वही।
होता है हाँ।
Yeah.
पहले इट वाज नॉट
Yes.
लाइक दैट कि तुम
कितना
हर
अच्छा
चीज के
पेड़ है,
थैंक यू
कितने
बोलते
अच्छे
घूमो।
पत्ते हैं, और देखो, हैव यू
हाँ।
सीन ऑल द
और
लीव्स
मुझे
आर
मेरे
डिफरेंट
दिमाग
फ्रॉम
में
ईच अदर।
गॉसिप भी नहीं आ रही है कि ये अच्छा नहीं है, वो अच्छा नहीं है, ये भी नहीं आ रही है मेरे दिमाग में। ये अच्छा नहीं, ये इतना पेड़ कितना अच्छा है, ये देखो बर्ड कितना अच्छा है, ये दिमाग में आ रहा है। किसी के बारे में नहीं कि ये बुरा है, ये बुरा कर रही है मेरे साथ, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है दिमाग में।
मैम वही थैंकफुल
वाह,
रहने में
व्हाट इन
इतना ज्यादा रह जा
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन।
रहे हैं पूरा दिन कि बस थैंकफुल ही थैंकफुल होते जा रहे हैं, कुछ और नेगेटिव आ ही नहीं रहा मन में
कुछ
कि
आ ही
भाई
नहीं
ऐसा
रहा
क्यों
यस।
ऐसा
नेगेटिव, यू
क्यों।
ऑल आर बीइंग पॉजिटिव इन नेगेटिविटी ऑल्सो, लाइक वी कैन स्टार्ट सीइंग द पॉजिटिविटी। एवरी नेगेटिव विल बिकम पॉजिटिव ओनली। जो वो आपकी मिस्टेक थी सारी, एवरीथिंग विल बिकम ब्लेसिंग, एंड टुडे विल बी टॉक अबाउट दैट ओनली। सो हाउ वी कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म आर ऑल द मिस्टेक्स इनटू ब्लेसिंग्स, हाउ योर ऑल द नेगेटिविटी विल बिकम पॉजिटिविटी। So everything is in you only. Everything is there inside you. So you have that power. You are the creator of your own life. Everything is there in your hand. So you are the creator. So whatever you want to create around you, you have that power. You can create. Right? And today we'll be learning that how. Okay, so before we begin, yeah, let me play the music. First we will dance and then we will jump to the session. Okay? Put your
नाइस
hands like
सॉन्ग।
this and pat your back, everyone. Did you guys enjoy? Did you
यस
guys
लॉट।
enjoy? Wonderful. So type in the chat, maza. Maza आया तो write in the chat, maza in the chat. Everyone, maza, maza, maza. Yes, maza. Wow, superb, superb. Very nice. Soumya, me, Ashwini, Ishita, maza, 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 maza. Very nice, very nice. Okay, guys. So welcome to day number 26, if I'm not wrong. 26? Okay, very nice. So first of all, thank you, thank you, thank you everyone. Thank you Ishita, Soumya, Ashwini, Akshita, Kulvinder and Funny for showing up. And thank you Rhonda Byrne. And thank you The Magic Book. And now
एंड
having,
मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं.
मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं. Yes, take your hands like this and pat your back. Lovely, awesome, I am amazing. मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं. I am super 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 duper awesome. And give yourself a big 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 round of applause. Very nice. You raise the energy of the room beautifully. Very nice. Okay, so welcome to day number 26, which is magically transform mistakes into blessings. Magically transform mistakes into blessings. Okay, so before we begin, let me ask you, have you ever done any mistake into your life? Or how many of you say that no, 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 I haven't done any mistake.
A
They
lot.
they have done mistake.
A lot, a lot.
Okay, so have you done mistakes? Yes, yes. Okay, so maybe uh, told a lie. Maybe you cheated on somebody. It could be anything. It could be anything. Cheated or okay. So what kind of mistake you have done? If you have to give me one word in the chat, give me one word. What kind of mistake you have done? किसी की गाड़ी ठोक दी, किसी का एक्सीडेंट कर
Sometimes
दिया,
lie, ma'am.
क्या किया एग्जैक्टली?
Sometimes lie. Lie.
Okay, so we speak a lot of lies, right? So
Yes.
sometimes we speak lie. Why do we speak lie? Why do we not speak the truth? Because that is a protection mechanism.
Yes.
Is
Yes,
there
ma'am.
in our kids as well. So if we
Yes.
say, do you remember that poem in the childhood? Joni, Joni, yes, Papa, eating
Yeah.
sugar. Papa. So that is what? That is our protection mechanism. कि कहीं
Yes.
डांट ना पड़ जाए, कहीं मार ना खानी पड़े. So that's why. So from where they people have learned, from where the kids have learned. So from us only. Otherwise, how they would be learning? कहाँ से learn करेंगे? Right? So whatever they observe. Right? So they observe
Yes.
us. They observe the whole day since morning till night. जब से वो पैदा हुए तब से the people are observing us and they are
Yes.
absorbing us. Because whatever is happening at your place, your son is going to repeat and your daughter is going to accept. Whatever is happening at your place, whatever is
Yes.
happening in your relationship as a couple, in your in the husband and wife. So every time, who are observing you? Your kids are observing you. Your son is going to repeat it, mind it, and your daughter is going to accept it. So see for yourself what kind of atmosphere you have at your place, right?
Yes.
So it's your responsibility, like what kind of atmosphere you have to give to your kids because they are observing and observing you at all times. They are absorbing your energy.
Yeah.
So what's your energy at all times? So your energy is of kit pit, fight वाला और झूठ बोलने वाला और dishonesty वाला और cheating वाला. So what is your energy? What is your aura? Who you are?
Yes.
With your own self and in front of your kids as well. So what kind of mistakes you have done? So give me one word in the chat. Okay, so you trust everyone. Very nice. So do you trust yourself? Because if you trust yourself, you'll be trusting everyone. If you don't have faith in yourself, if you don't believe in yourself, if you don't trust yourself, you will not be trusting and you will not be trusted by others as well. Because there is nobody. There is nobody. Everybody is you only. Who is your husband? He is you only. Who are your kids? They
But
are
ma'am,
carrying so
trusting
many.
every time is not also good.
What is not good?
Trusting everyone.
Trusting everyone.
Hmm.
Okay.
Sometimes we have to be
Trusting
very.
everyone is not good. From where it is coming? From where
Actually,
it is.
ma'am, no, it's not about that, ma'am. Sometimes people they don't have right intention for you. I was
Hmm.
a person who was, trusting everyone,
Hmm.
and this I got to know that everyone could not have a right intuition for you.
Hmm.
So we have to be very careful. I am not saying that someone would have a wrong, everyone could not have, but some people we should have that eyes to magnify that people's the intention of people.
And from where it is coming in them as well, Kulvinder. So the way we have some limiting beliefs, the way we have our beliefs, the way we have our mind map, because we are not living our life, we are living our mind map, we are living our beliefs. Whatever beliefs we are carrying from our childhood, whatever we have learned from our experiences, whatever we have learned from our parents, from our childhood, and they are also carrying the same thing. The way we are in the belief of our mind map, so they are also believing their mind map. They are also working as per their mind map, because everybody's mind map is different. So people are different. So, let's say there was a person. So let me tell you a story. Okay, so very small story. So let's say there is a person who is a thief, pickpocketer, murderer. Okay, so that is he's the person. Okay, and now you people will be starting hating him. You people will start hating him. Okay, तो उसको आप ऐसे करोगे because he is the murderer, he is the rapist, he is this, he is that. But how did he become that? How did he become? So right now you are seeing him as an adult. Okay, so right now he is an adult and he is doing all those things. But from where he has learned, we will not go deeper into that. So it might possible something would have happened in their childhood, in that kid's childhood. Okay, when that child was of 5 years old, his parents died. His parents died in some accident, car accident हुआ, parents died, and he was the only survivor. तो उसको जो भी कुछ आसपास मिला कुछ खाने के लिए, तो पहले उसने चोरी करना स्टार्ट किया. ओके, कुछ भी डस्टबिन से उठा के खाना स्टार्ट किया. उसको कुछ नहीं मिला तो उसने क्या किया, छीन के खाना स्टार्ट किया. When he was only 5 years old. So after that, what did he start? He started pickpocketing as well. So जो भी कुछ उसने इधर से उधर से सीखा, so he started implementing that only. From where all those things are coming? So let's say there is a child, a very small child, 13, 14 years child. He started watching porn. But we will not go into that. But we will start hating that. हो कैसे वो उसने स्टार्ट कर दिया इतनी छोटी सी एज पे ये वो. But from where all these things are coming, we will not go deeper into that. So there must be some reason. So I told you yesterday in yesterday's session, cue the magic. Whatever is happening all around you, कुछ भी हो रहा है, सब सही है, सब सही है. Because there is some reason why that person is like that. Because that person is following his or her own mind map. The way we are in the favor of our own mind map. The way we are in the favor of our belief system. They are in the favor of their belief system. What they people have learned, they are following that only. Whatever they have learned, so they are following that only. So we are also stick to our belief system. No, this is right. Who are you to tell that this is the right? It might possible that there are 100 rights. The one right is not the right. What if there are 100 rights? You are also right, I am also right, they are also right, he is also right, she is also right. There are multiple rights because people are different. If we go deeper into that, from where it is coming, then only you will understand. इवन जितने भी रेप हो रहे हैं और किसी इंसान ने कितने कितने रेप किए और कोई क्यों इतना सफर कर, एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग परफेक्टली फाइन. Whatever is happening. And now you might be thinking कैसे, कि ऐसा कैसे, ये कैसे सही हो सकता है, वो कैसे सही होता है. No, everything is fine. This is we will not be able to understand because there is a lot of depth. Lot of depth is there. Because that person chose this path, that I have to learn this lesson, so you have to do all these things with me. Then only I will learn this lesson. So that is their path. But we will not understand this. If you have to understand, you will have to read so many books and this and that. Then only you will understand all those things.
मैम लास्ट वाली लाइन समझ में नहीं आई.
Which one?
मैम जो अभी आपने बोली कि आई हैव टू द पर्सन हैज चूजन टू बिकम लाइक इट, वो क्या था मैम?
Yeah. So we are choosing. We have chosen this path wherever we are right now. जैसे किसी के हस्बैंड ने उसको, मतलब हस्बैंड इज द नार्सिस हस्बैंड, उसको बहुत पिटाई करता है, ये करता है, वो चीजें उठा के फेंक के मारता है. सो बिकॉज दैट लेडी चोज दैट शी हैज टू लर्न द लेसन. दैट्स वाई ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग टू हर. Because I told you before coming on this planet Earth, so there is some soul contract in that quantum world. Before coming on this planet Earth, so we had the soul contract with our husband. Okay, so we will be going and we will be taking the birth in this house. You will be taking the birth in this house. Then we will meet together and then we will marry. And you do this to me. And sometimes you have to slap also with me. Then only I will learn my lesson. So all these things are like planned. Everything has already happened. So there is a soul contract between the husband and wife in the quantum world. Then after that soul contract, they came on this planet Earth. So wife only said, okay, so you have to cheat me also. So we are going to play the game on this planet Earth. So you will be like, "Yeah, why? What ma'am is saying?" So if you want to understand the whole thing, so you will have to read the what
मैम
the vortex, but you will not understand. We are daily
मैम
reading.
अगर किसी का बुरा करना है,
Yes,
ओके,
किसी का पूरा करना, किसी का बुरा
What
होना,
is the name?
everything is like, contract. They people are doing as per their contract, whatever
नो
they have.
अगर मेरे किसी के बुरे कर्मा है, सो
Yeah.
अगर मैं किसी का रेप करती हूँ, ठीक है, तो मेरे कर्मों का क्या होगा? मतलब मैं
हाँ,
तो
तो that
निकल
is
गई,
your
जो हो
journey.
गया सो हो गया, पर मेरे
तो
कर्मों का
जिसका
क्या?
हुआ उसको भी लेसन लर्न करना था, उसको भी लेसन लर्न करना था, दोनों को ही लेसन लर्न करना था.
बट हाँ लेसन, बट मेरा तो लेसन कुछ हुआ ही नहीं ना, बिकॉज मैंने तो कर्म करके छोड़ दिया, बस कुछ हो गया बस, बट
So
मेरा
you
तो
will
कर्मों का
carry
कुछ नहीं
forward
हुआ.
in the next birth, you will carry it forward. If somebody comes to your life, if you have some mentor in your life, if that person enlightens you, so you will learn your lesson in this lifetime only. Otherwise, you will carry it forward to the next birth, and then only you will learn your lesson. In that birth also you don't learn your lesson. Again, you will learn in the next birth. But anyhow, you will have to learn your all the lessons. There is no other way. There is no other way. कोई है ही नहीं है. You will have to learn all the lessons. Okay, and some of the lessons, like how we have to learn, how we can change, how we can transform our mistakes into blessings, that we will learn, and you will get some kind of idea कि कैसे. That is your choice. That is your choice. Do you want to learn the lesson? But who transforms? If you don't choose to learn, you will not transform. You will be doing mistakes and mistakes and mistakes and mistakes after mistakes. If you don't choose to learn कि मुझे तो learn ही नहीं करना lesson, because we are the human beings, we have that free will. It's in your hand. Do you want to learn or do you not want to learn? You have to learn or you don't have to. So that is your choice. Only human being on this planet Earth has the free will. We have the free will. We have the choices.
True, ma'am.
Whatever happened in past, that was not our fault. But healing is our responsibility. Because now we understand. You can create your future. Past was not in your hand. Past is gone. Future is fantasy. What is there in your hand, that is present only. If you choose to make your present better, you can change your future as well. You can change your future because you have that free will. Okay, so that we will understand. So how we can transform our life and how we can, transform our mistakes into blessings. जो भी mistake हमने किए, कैसे उसको blessings में हम change कर सकते हैं. That is our choice. But that is possible and that is learnable. Right? So how we can transform, that we are going to learn today. Excited? Excited? Okay, write E in the chat. Everyone, write E in the chat if you are excited to learn something beautiful today. So how we can, otherwise knowledge is available everywhere. So who will transform, who will learn, grow, who will learn the lesson? Otherwise it's just knowledge only. You are just consuming and consuming and consuming. You are not implementing. Implementation creates transformation. If you don't implement, आप बस लर्न करे जा रहे हो, ये अटेंड किया, ये अटेंड किया, ये अटेंड किया, how you will transform when you learn and you implement into your life. If there is no implementation, there is no transformation. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होगा ही नहीं, जितने मर्जी कोर्स कर लो, लाखों के कोर्स कर लो, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होगा ही नहीं. You will be the same person. Did you do something different? If you are not doing anything different, you will get the same result. Same me will create same. Different me will give you the different result. Right? So let's begin. Let me share my screen. Okay, so Shrishta has written something. I'll grow in each and every step of life. Abundance will come to us definitely. Yeah. That is guarantee if you follow all the, practices, all the practices whichever are given at the end of the session. If you are doing all the practices, there is no doubt. Rhonda Byrne has given so many times the guarantee that yes, this is the guarantee. Right? Okay, so yes, let me share. So this is so deep. Is it visible or yes, now it will come. Yes, I think now it is visible. Visible, right? So day number 26, magically transform mistakes into blessing. What is transformation? Transformation is intention plus attention plus alignment plus action equal to transformation. I told you earlier as well. What is transformation or what is manifestation? First step is intention. Do you have that intention? Do you have that awareness that yes, I want to transform, I want to change my life? If you don't have that mindset कि मुझे तो change होना ही नहीं है, but you all have that intention, that's why you are sitting here. Okay, intention plus attention. If you have intention, okay, मुझे change होना है, but if you don't have attention, आपकी attention ही नहीं है. Okay, so you like you want to reduce weight, आपको 5-6 किलो weight कम करना है. Okay, your intention is to reduce 5-6 kg weight, but you don't have any attention. कोई आप attention ही नहीं दे रहे हो, खा रहे हो, पी रहे हो, जंक फूड खा रहे हो, पिज्जा खा रहे हो, बर्गर खा रहे हो. You are not doing any exercise. You are not paying any attention. So how you will see the transformation? Only intention is not going to work. You will have to pay attention as well. So if you have to make 1 lakh rupees per month, 2 lakh rupees per month, that is your intention. Okay, but you don't have attention. आप उसके लिए कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हो. Okay, so those who want to make money. So how are you going to make money? Yeah, intention is there. बहुत अच्छी intention है. Okay, so I'll be making money. But what are you doing? Where is your to-do list? What are you doing? Are you posting anything on social media? If you are a coach, if you are doing any business, so are you doing publicity or like whatever you are supposed to do? If your attention is not there, you are sitting at home, you are just roaming around here and there, scrolling Instagram, watching TV, watching Netflix. Attention is not there. And then you will say, मेरा तो हो नहीं रहा, मुझे तो कमाना था, मेरे लिए तो ये वर्क नहीं कर रहा. Do you have attention? Are you paying attention? And after that alignment, are you aligned? Or are your mind is saying something else, speaking something else, doing something else? Head is somewhere else, heart is somewhere else, hands are somewhere else. Head, heart, hands. हेड कुछ और सोच रहा है, हार्ट में कुछ और फील हो रहा है, स्पीक कुछ और कर रहे हो, डू कुछ और रहे हो. So that means there is no alignment. You are only confusing yourself and you are only confusing the universe as well. Right? If there is no alignment, and then where is the action? Intention plus attention plus alignment plus action. What are you doing? क्या कर रहे हो? कौन से एक्शन आपने लिया? Did you learn something new? Did you implement something? Did you go to gym? Did you wake up early in the morning? Did you practice magic rock? Did you write the count your blessings, 10 blessings? So what are you doing? How will manifestation happen? If action is not there, only intention is not going to work. So intention plus attention plus alignment plus action equal to manifestation or transformation. Right? So magically transform. What is the formula for transformation? So now you know, okay? And mistakes. What are the mistakes? So have you done any kind of mistakes? Or somebody did any mistake? Right? So right now you are saying, I haven't done any mistake, so they have done. So my life is like that. I am suffering a lot. I have a lot of pain in my life because of him, because of her. Because she said something to me 20 years back or 10 years back. So this is not my mistake. This is his mistake or her mistake. Because she did this to me, that's why I am like this. No, it's not like that. So that was the event. उन्होंने कुछ कहा, that was the event. What you are running in your head from last 10 years, 20 years, 15 years. So that is your mistake. That is your choice. Are you with me? If somebody said something to you 10, 20, 15 years back, and you are running, you are playing that cassette again and again into your head, whose mistake is this? His, her, or yours? My mistake. Okay, so now whatever mistakes we have done, so we will transform into blessings. So what do you see on the screen? So black clouds are there. So these are what? So this is darkness, these are mistakes. Okay, and what is this light coming? So this is the hope, right? This is the gratitude. This is the divine intelligence. Blessings, divine intelligence, gratitude, hope. And it will change all the mistakes into these are the blessings. These all sparkles are the blessings. So turn your wounds into wisdom. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Who said? Oprah Winfrey. I told you you have to, research something on Oprah Winfrey. Did you do that? Oprah Winfrey. Who was that? Oprah Winfrey. She said, turn your wounds into wisdom. When she was very young, she was only 9 years of age. She was raped multiple times. At 14 years of age, she was pregnant. And she was raped by her loved ones only, cousin, family members, uncle, right? And she was pregnant at the age of 14. She faced a lot of challenges. And after that also, she turned all her wounds into wisdom. And she is very renowned, public speaker. And she was running that was, I think, show. Name was OWN, Oprah Winfrey Network. And that she ran for complete 25 years. It was that much popular. इतना उसका popular show था, पूरा उसने 25 years तक उसका इतना popular show था. She became the public speaker. She did so many courses. She got some scholarships. पूरा free में उसने पूरा वो study किया सब कुछ. She was so much intelligent. She did some courses on public speaking, communication, this, and she started teaching communication, public speaking, all these things. And what she has created in her life, that is amazing. You can search on Google, Oprah Winfrey. And she said, you are not defined by what happened to you. She said, I repeat, you are not defined by what happened to you. You are defined by who you are. What do you choose to become? What do you choose to become? You are defined by what do you choose to become. You are not defined by what happened to you. Whatever happened to you, happened to you. That was not your fault. But healing is your responsibility. Jo ho gaya, ho gaya. Okay, so she is a media personality and businesswoman. She is the most influential woman on the earth. Every single mistake is a blessing in disguise. हर जो ब्लेसिंग है वो भेस बदल कर आती है. Every single mistake is a blessing in disguise. Today's magical practice will prove it, because you are about to discover that there are actually untold blessings hidden within every mistake. Every mistake is a blessing. Every mistake, कुछ भी आपसे गलती हो गई, that was for good. जैसे let's say you are learning driving. Okay, आपसे किसी गलती हो गई, किसी की गाड़ी पे लग गई, ठुक गई, it's okay, fine. But what did you learn? Did you learn the lesson? Or did you start fighting with that person? It's because of you, it's because of him, like that. So, did you learn the lesson from that mistake? Did you own it? That is very powerful. Did you own your mistake? Yes, I have done it. It's because of me. Otherwise, what do people do? They start fighting. कि तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ, तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ. So if it is because of you, you have to own it and you have to learn the lesson. Then only you will be able to transform your life. Otherwise, there is no transformation. You will be the same person. If you are not owning it, if you are not owning your mistake, that means what? You will be repeating the mistake. फिर से ठोकोगे गाड़ी किसी की. Okay, if you don't own it, आप अपनी mistake मान ही नहीं रहे हो. That means you will again do that mistake, right? Because you are about to discover that there are actually untold blessing. Because in that mistake also there is that blessing. If you don't learn the lesson, there is no blessing. But if you own it and you learn it, what is this situation trying to tell me? What do I need to learn from here? That will bring the transformation. Okay, see, a child makes many mistakes while learning how to ride a bike or write. So when we learned how to ride a bike, when we learned how to write, writing A was very difficult one day, but now it's very easy. Okay, and we don't give it a second thought because we know that through their mistakes they will learn and eventually master what they are trying to do. So whatever mistakes they are doing while riding the bike or learning writing, how to write A, B, C, we don't say that you are doing mistakes because those mistakes are good. They will be learning from their mistakes. From their mistakes, they will be learning. They will become the master of that. Right? Everybody has to start somewhere. So they have started their life. वो गिरेंगे, उठेंगे, फिर चलेंगे. But we don't say you don't have to do that. You don't have, because we know that the more they will fall down, the more they will become strong. Otherwise, they will not become strong. The more they will fall, the more they will get up, and the more their muscles will become strong. They will become strong. They will become emotionally healthy, mentally healthy, physically healthy. So why is it that adults are so hard on themselves when they make a mistake? जब बच्चे मिस्टेक करते हैं, we get it's okay, fine. They will learn from their mistakes. But if we are doing mistakes, then what? We become very hard on ourselves. So we have to be very kind on ourselves. Don't be harsh on yourself. कि mistake हो गई तो होगी. Learn from your mistake and go fast. Fail fast, fail forward. Fail fast, fail forward. Fail fast, fail forward. जितना ज्यादा फेल करोगे उतना ज्यादा लाइफ में आगे बढ़ोगे. So please write it down. Fail fast, fail forward. There are many coaches, they have seen, I have seen, they are saying, okay, so once I will become perfect, after 2 years, after 3 years, after 4 years, then I will start my journey. And there are coaches, they are doing so many mistakes. They are failing fast, moving forward. Fail fast, fail forward. Fail fast, fail forward. Fail fast, fail forward. कहते जितने में आप 2-3 सालों में आप शुरू करोगे, इतने में तो मैं 8-10 मिस्टेक करके मैं कहां पहुंच जाऊंगी. So have you seen those kind of people? There are some people, they are waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. And throughout their life, they are just waiting and waiting. I will do it after 6 months, once I will become perfect. It's like, get ready. And now you are aim. Then you are aiming and aiming and aiming and aiming. Throughout your life, you are just aiming. But what you have to do instead, you get ready and you fire. And then you aim. What is working, what is not working. जितना आप 6 महीने 1 साल 2 साल वेट करोगे, ओके, सो देन तो लाइक यू विल बी फेलिंग फास्ट. बहुत फेल करो, आगे बढ़ो, फेल करो, आगे बढ़ो, फेल करो, आगे बढ़ो. द मोर यू विल डू मिस्टेक्स, द मोर यू विल गो अहेड. गंदा घटिया काम, जी जे गंदा घटिया ज्यादा जल्दी जल्दी करो, ज्यादा करो, गंदा करो, घटिया करो, बस करते जाओ और चलते जाओ. जितना ज्यादा गिरोगे उतना ज्यादा स्ट्रांग बनोगे एंड यू विल बी रीचिंग समवेयर. बट इफ यू विल बी वेटिंग एंड वेटिंग, यू विल वेट थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ. You will not reach anywhere. Mistake done, what next? Mistake done, what next? Mistake done, what next? You must have seen there are people, those who have done a lot many mistakes, जिन्होंने बहुत सारी mistakes की हैं. They people are very successful in their life. बल्ब बनाया था, बल्ब एक बारी में बन गया था? नो, 1,000 times. 1,000 times he tried. Failed, forward, failed, forward, failed, forward. Right? If
Ma'am,
something is
that
working,
same thing happened to our desire as well. Like we are trying to fulfill our desire, and we are taking steps towards it, like one by one, like So that also, like we are waiting on this day. Like if we have procrastination, I will do tomorrow, or I will call them tomorrow, like that. So this is also yeah, this is the like name we can call that mistake. Like we are doing mistake.
Yes,
We
absolutely.
are
Absolutely,
forwarding these
you
things.
do it. You do it.
Hmm.
Don't overthink. You say, I'm done. मेरा हो गया. What next?
Hmm.
Imperfect action is better than perfection.
Perfection, yes.
Imperfect action लो, but action लो. What is the solution of overthinking? Take action. What is the
Yes.
solution of procrastination? Take action. What is the solution of perfectionism? Take action. Take the first step, because first step is very important. What did you do today? Or you are just waiting and waiting and waiting? If you are waiting, so you will be waiting only. So जितना करो, जो करो, गंदा घटिया काम करो, बट करो. जी जी जे जे, आई ऑलवेज से दिस. जैसे मैं रील बनाती हूँ, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एडिट. लाइक अभी तो थोड़ा थोड़ा मुझे आ गया, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एडिट. कहीं भी बैठ के जस्ट आई एम सेंडिंग द
या
माई
काफी नेचुरल भी लगता है मैम, जैसे आप काफी बार कभी किचन में, कभी
यस.
बेडरूम में, सो
Yeah,
वो
that is
बैकग्राउंड
fine. I
रिलेट
don't know
करता है.
editing. Yeah, that is also there in my plan. That for that I'll have to invest again. But अभी वो थोड़ा सा, we are busy in Bangalore retreat and all. So after coming back, I have some plans. Right? So I'm
Yes.
learning editing part as well. Right? So what I'm trying to say, like you have to do fast, fast, fast. What next? What next? What next? Better you do on daily basis something, something, something. वेट करोगे तो वेट ही करते रहोगे, 6 months, 1 year. जो जितना फेल करोगे उतना ज्यादा, लाइक यू विल बी अचीविंग समथिंग. एंड दोज पीपल हु हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ मिस्टेक्स, एंड यू मस्ट हैव सीन, दे पीपल आर ओनली सक्सेस बिकॉज दे हैव ट्राइड अ लॉट. They have done a lot, tried fast, tried
Right.
fast, tried fast.
All they again
Because failure is a
stand.
comma, failure is not the full stop. वो हो गया, then move forward, done. उसी पे रोते बैठते रहोगे तो सारी जिंदगी फिर रोते रहोगे. So the same rule that applies to children also applies to you. So you have to be kind to yourself. The way we are kind to our own kids. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, उठ जाओ, खड़े हो जाओ. जैसे खुद भी गिरते तो अपने आप को भी ऐसे हक करो प्यार से, कोई बात नहीं पूनम, क्या हो गया, तो खड़ी हो जा. जैसे बच्चों को कहते हैं ना, हट चींटी मर गई, बोलते हैं ना, बच्चा गिर जाता है तो हट चींटी मर
लात
गई, कुछ
मार
नहीं
दो,
हुआ, यू आर
लात
वेरी
मार दो
स्ट्रांग, यू आर वेरी
फिर.
स्ट्रांग.
हाँ.
बच्चों को बोलने के लिए, लाइक वी हैव ऑल द नॉलेज, वी हैव ऑल द ज्ञान. बट वो ज्ञान किसके लिए? वो दूसरों के लिए. The same we have to implement on ourselves as well. But we are being very kind to everyone, but we are not being kind to our own self. So don't be harsh on yourself. That is the meaning. The same rule that applies to children also applies to you. We all make mistakes. And if we didn't make them, we would never learn anything and we would never grow any smarter and wiser. We will not become any smarter and wiser if we don't do any mistakes. Do mistakes, but be kind to yourself and move forward. We have the freedom to make our own choices. We have the freedom to make choices. That means we have the freedom to make mistakes. Yes, we can make mistakes. Mistakes can hurt, but if you don't learn from the mistakes we have made, the pain we have suffered from, it has been for nothing. It will be of no use if you don't learn from your pain. Like Oprah Winfrey, she learned so many things from her pain. She forgot and she forgave. सब भूल गई और सबको माफ कर दिया उसने. If she would have not done that, वो पूरी जिंदगी वो अबला नारी बन के रहती. हाय मैं बेचारी, हाय मैं बेचारी, मेरे साथ ये हो गया, मेरे साथ वो हो गया. She is the legend. What she has created is awesome. Mistakes can hurt, but if you don't learn from your mistakes you have made, the pain will become your suffering and it will be of no use. In fact, by the law of attraction, we will make the same mistake over and over again until the consequences hurt us so much that we finally learn from it. If you don't learn, so what will happen? Universe will turn on the heat. Universe will turn on the heat. अभी वो छोटा सा नज होगा. Once it turns the heat, you will be like in the pit only. You will fall in the pit. It's the very reason why mistakes hurt, so that we do learn from them and don't make them repeatedly. So we don't have to repeat that mistake. We have to learn the lesson. We have to put the full stop. Because failure is the comma. Then we have to go ahead. Don't put full stop. Put comma. Because failure is comma only. Go ahead. To learn from a mistake, we first have to own it. We have to own our mistake. Yes, I have done this mistake. बच्चों की तरह नहीं, जोनी जोनी यस पापा ईटिंग शुगर, नो पापा, नो, दैट इज द प्रोटेक्शन मैकेनिज्म जो हम अपने आप को बचाने के लिए करते हैं. बट वी हैव टू बी ऑथेंटिक. या आई हैव डन इट एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल नॉट रिपीट इट. आई विल लर्न द लेसन एंड आई विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. एंड दिस इज वेयर मेनी पीपल कैन बिकम अनडन. वो मानते ही नहीं है. Because they often blame someone else for their mistakes because they don't own it. So throughout their life, they will be blaming and complaining and criticizing and judging people because of him, because of her. Because if you don't own it, that means you are undone. Throughout your life, you will be blaming other. Let's consider the scenario of being pulled over by the police for speeding and being given a speeding ticket. Have you done it? Have you done it? Did you catch? How will we speak this? कि कभी पकड़ा कभी पुलिस ने कभी? Yeah. Were you caught by the police for speeding and being given a speeding ticket? Did you get that ticket for speeding? कभी हेलमेट नहीं लगाया और स्पीड किया, कभी रेड लाइट ब्रेक की. So that was also the mistake. Instead of taking responsibility for the fact that we were speeding, so what do? We blame the police because they were hiding in the bushes on the highway around a bend. We couldn't see them. हम उन्हें देख नहीं पाए. Right? They were hiding themselves around the bushes. They had a radar gun and so we didn't stand a chance. हम chance नहीं ले सकते थे. But the mistakes was ours because we were the one who chose to speed. Whose mistake it was? It was our mistake. We chose to speed. किसी और की मिस्टेक नहीं है. It's my mistake that I chose to speed. And now we start blaming. It is because of them, because they were hiding themselves. Yeah, it is their duty. It's their job. They have to do it. It's we who were speeding. The problem with blaming other people for our mistake is that we will still suffer the pain and consequences of our mistake if we don't own it. So we will suffer the consequences of our mistake in future. How? Again, we will do the same mistake if we don't own it. That means we are blaming. If we are blaming, that means again we will do the mistake. So who will suffer the consequences? We will suffer the consequences. But we didn't learn from it. And so bingo. So ho gaya. So we will attract making the same mistake again. We will do the same mistake again. We didn't learn the lesson. And there is a pride in victimhood. हाय मैं बेचारा, मैं तो जा रहा था, पुलिस ने पकड़ लिया. And we take so much pride or we will be telling it to everyone. पता है क्या हुआ, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, आज मैं जा रहा था, ऐसे पुलिस ने पकड़ लिया, फाइन कर दिया, ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया. So we just start blaming and we just start, telling it to others as well. That means we are not owning. What are we spreading? in that universe? Who will take the responsibility? That is also making the karma. And then you will say कि like कैसे ये बुरा कैसे होगा? In future, if you are not caught today, so in future तो anytime you will be caught. You will be caught by the police on some day. अगर आज आप नहीं पकड़े जाते, in future also you will be caught. And who will suffer the consequences? You only. हो सकता है एक बार बच जाओ, 2 बार बच जाओ, 3 बार बच जाओ, but not every time. ना? Yeah, Shrestha, question?
Ma'am, I was thinking that the book is actually telling us that we have to learn from our mistake.
Yeah.
Right now, the situation is like you are with us. Whatever we are doing, we know that our class will be at evening and we will learn anything about our life. I was thinking I have changed my matlab, from past 1 year I was not able to change my schedule, and right now uh, doesn't matter the time which I sleep, but right now from past 10 days I am actually waking up at 5:30, going to gym at 6, returning from 8, going to library. But I was thinking actually how magic works. I was not able to do it alone. Some neighbor came to me at my house, ring my bell, and asked me that you can join me gym in the morning. मैंने कहा यार मेरे तो बस की नहीं हो रही थी, तो I just made a friendship with her and we started to going. I started to going with her.
Yes, very nice.
ये
Very
पक्का
nice.
मैजिक है मैम.
So you got
उससे
the
मेरी
partner now. You got the
हाँ
partner now.
partner
So
now, and the
universe has
first
sent
thing
that, person to you. So I told you, universe will
exactly,
move everything for you only.
ma'am.
The
This is
universe will
the
send you
thing.
people, the situation, the events, the
हाँ
circumstances, so that Ujja meri jaan.
ma'am, right now you are with us na, so we are able to have that belief. But what will we do after 4 days?
Same practices, same practices. Did you buy the book? So you have to do the same practices.
मैम तब तो कोई नहीं आएगी दीदी जिम ले जाने को.
No, so right now, तो she's there na with you. You are going together, right?
Yes ma'am, but ऐसा ना हो कि
But keep
ऐसा कुछ करते
continuing,
करते
dear.
चली जाएंगी.
Keep doing all the practices. So you know na, yeah, now you know the path. Now the seed is already there inside you, right? So you do the practices, you know the path, what you have to do, what you are supposed to do. These practices only.
Ma'am, but we need that the fertilizer also na after 2 months
So
to
you
grow
have
the
to
seed.
become that fertilizer. You have to nourish yourself. You have to become the sunlight for you. Okay, so if you want to go ahead with me, so that is also the another path. I'll discuss it later. Okay.
Sure
Yeah.
ma'am,
First,
sure.
let me complete.
Yeah,
Then
of course.
we will discuss that as well. Yes. Okay. So you are human. You will make mistakes, and it's one of the most beautiful things about being human. But you must learn from your mistakes. Otherwise, your life will have a lot of unnecessary pain. So if you don't want to have that unnecessary pain, so better you learn from your mistakes and move forward. How do you learn from a mistake? Gratitude. So gratitude is the only key. Practices are the only key. So how we can learn from our mistakes? Only by gratitude. If you do all these practices, if you are being grateful, so all your mistakes will transform into blessings, right? And for that there is a process that also you will get to know. No matter how bad something may seem, there are always many things to be grateful for. When you look for as many things as you can to be grateful for in a mistake, you magically transform the mistake into blessings. Mistakes attract more mistakes and blessings attract more blessings. Which would you prefer? See, if you choose to do mistakes, okay, so if you don't own it, if you don't learn your lesson, if you don't bring the change into your life, because nothing changes if nothing changes. So that is your choice. Okay, so if you choose to mistake again, choose to do the mistake again, so who will suffer the consequences? You only. Because if you keep continuing more mistakes, so mistakes will attract mistakes only. But if you choose to learn the lesson, that you will not do it, you will not repeat it, your all the mistakes will be Blessings only. They will become the blessings. But for every mistake, you have to write 10 blessings. And how you have to write, you will get to know. Okay. So today, think about a mistake you have made in your life. So today we have to choose one mistake. Go to your past. कोई आज की मिस्टेक हो, कोई पास्ट की हो, किसी को आपने ब्लेम किया हो, किसी को आपने चीट किया हो. ओके. तो you have to, whatever mistake you have made, so you have to recall that one mistake that you made into your life. It doesn't matter whether it was a big mistake or a small mistake, but choose one that still hurts when you think about it. जब अभी आप सोचते हो तभी भी उतना आपको पेन होता है. Something said something, somebody, something to you, and again you are repeating that mistake into your mind. Okay, so you have to recall that one mistake. Maybe you lost your temper with a person close to you and the relationship hasn't been the same since. बच्चे को डांट दिया. That is also like, it could be mistake. छोटी सी mistake हो गई, right? Maybe you put blind faith in another person and got burned. Maybe you told a white lie to protect someone, and because of it, you ended up in a difficult situation, right? You might have chosen the cheaper option on something and it all went wrong and ended up costing you a whole lot more, right? So you might have thought you were making the right decision about something, but it completely backfired on you. What does it mean? Let's say you started a business with somebody. Okay, I'm just giving you some example. You started a business with somebody and that person cheated on you. And now what are you doing? You are blaming. So that means you are doing the mistake. Because I told you in yesterday's session, cue the magic. Everything is perfectly fine. Everything is happening at the divine timing. Whosoever is there into your life, they have some role to play. You have some kind of, soul contract with that person who has cheated on you. कि कोई आपका पैसे लेके भाग गया, 10-15 लाख 20 लाख लेके भाग गया. So now you started blaming. So who will suffer the consequences? He or you? You will suffer the consequences. उसने जो किया, he will see. But what you are doing, who will suffer? You will suffer only. So what you have to do? You have to change that mistake into blessing. And you have to write 10 blessings for that person. He's so sorry that I thought that about you. Because universe में everything is fine. सब कुछ जो हो रहा है, हो सकता है किसी जन्म में हमने उससे लिया होगा तो इसलिए वो लेके भाग गया. Right? So you can give it a different direction so that you don't feel bad. You don't start blaming. You don't start complaining कि उसने ऐसे किया. Because you have to take the responsibility of your karma or whatever you are doing now onwards. उनको उनके उस पे छोड़ दो. Right? And you might have chosen the cheaper option on something. So let's say आपने एक चार्जर खरीदा. You have purchased the charger, मोबाइल का चार्जर, in only 200 rupees. और जो ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट थी उसकी, जो ओरिजिनल चार्जर था उसका 800 था. Okay, you didn't buy that original one and you bought that cheaper wala, 200 wala. Okay, and it damaged your battery. And now it will cost you 5,000 rupees. Right? So that is the meaning. You might have chosen the cheaper option on something and it all went wrong and ended up costing you a whole lot more. आपको 5,000 rupees है क्योंकि उसकी बैटरी डैमेज हो गई. क्योंकि आपने एक cheaper आपने चार्जर खरीदा. So I'm just giving you one example. Right? So that also could be the mistake. So now how you can turn that mistake into blessing? How you can turn that mistake? So for that you have to write 10 blessings. So what did you learn from that? What did you learn? Now I don't have to buy that cheaper thing. You cannot be cheap to the path of your own greatness. Right? ये छोटी छोटी चीजें. It can make your life hell or it can make your life heaven as well. Sometimes we do, sometimes I also do. So who will suffer the consequences? I only, you only. Right? You might have thought you were making the right decision about something, but it completely backfired on you. राइट, आपने कुछ जॉब ज्वाइन किया आपने, ओके, एंड नहीं, यू आर गोइंग फॉर एन इंटरव्यू, ओके, यू आर गोइंग फॉर एन इंटरव्यू, बट you were not selected, you were not selected, and now you are crying and crying and crying and crying and crying, okay, and now you got the another opportunity, and there you were selected, there you were selected, and you got the promotion as well, and you learned, you got some mentor as well, and you learned so many skills as well, you started your own setup, you started your own business, and now you are very happy. But when you were crying, so whose mistake that was? Yours. Because when you were not selected, so why were you crying? Whose mistake is it? Your mistake. Because everything is happening at their own timing, on places, that is divine timing. Sometimes we don't get the job. Sometimes I also think, 1 year before, when I thought of taking the break, okay, so because I had to do this course, whatever I'm doing right now, that this course is for 1 year. Okay, I started in November, so November to November, I thought of taking the break. So I thought that after that, now I realized, na yaar, mujhe saath mein, I should have managed both the things together. So that is also I'm complaining. Ab decision le liya to le liya, because I wanted to give my whole focus on one thing, Poonam, one thing, because it was very difficult for me to manage all the things together. So I thought of taking the break. It's okay, fine. But after that, I said, okay, I should not have, taken the break. So that means what I am doing? I am complaining, I am blaming कि मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था. So then I wrote 10 blessings for that. Okay, so that is wonderful. That was wonderful decision of mine that I have taken the break. I have now I am spending quality time with my family. I'm learning a lot many
Yes.
beautiful things. I am creating a lot many things. I'm delivering the sessions. I'm preparing for my good. I'm giving so many presentations. I'm learning. I'm growing. So I wrote 10 blessings for that. So I thought that was my mistake, but that was not my mistake. Because every mistake, if you learn from your mistake, if अगर आपने कोई blame किया, complain किया, if you have learned that lesson, you can transform that mistake into blessing. Right? So जो कुछ हो रहा है, everything is fine. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
So for this, I have to give you so many, examples. But I hope you people are enjoying and getting it.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So how you
Sure,
can,
ma'am.
you have to trust the process of life. Faith in that God, whosoever you believe in. Because we are the chosen one. We are the universe's favorite child. Why I am chosen one? Because I am existing. I exist. Existence ही काफी है यार. Right? So once you have chosen a mistake to magically transform into blessings, look for the things to be grateful for. To help you, there are 2 questions you can ask yourself. What did I learn from the mistake? So I told you, what did I learn? मुझे नहीं बोलना चाहिए था ऐसे कि मैंने, okay, what are the good things that came out of that mistake? So I wrote everything. What are the good things that came about? क्या अच्छा हुआ? फैमिली के साथ टाइम बिताया, कितना अच्छा सीखा. The most important things to be grateful for about every mistake are the things you learned from it. And no matter what the mistake, there are always many good things that came out of it and altered your future for the better. See, कितनी beautiful line है. Altered your future for the better. So whatever decision you take, whatever decision I took, that was better for my future. It will alter my future for the better. Because something amazing, something beautiful is on the way. Think this through very carefully and see if you can find of 10 blessings to be grateful for. Every blessing you find has magical power. Write out your list in a gratitude journal or type them on a computer. So let's take the example. So now Rhonda 1 is giving you one example. Let's take the example of being caught speeding by a police car and receiving a fine. आपको fine हो गया, okay? So speeding car थी, आपको fine हो गया. So now how it could be the blessing? आपकी कार स्पीडिंग थी, right? So how it could be blessing? So now you might be thinking, कैसे blessing कैसे होगी? I am grateful to the police for wanting to protect me from harming myself, because after all, that was all they were trying to do. What they were trying to do? They were saving me. They were protecting me कि मेरा कहीं एक्सीडेंट ना हो जाए. Can you think that way? Can you all think that way? It is difficult. It is difficult, but you have to. You have to change your mistake into blessing. Right? I am grateful to the police for wanting to protect me. वो हमें बचाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. So that we don't speed. So that is the blessing. That was all they were trying to do. They all were trying to protect me so that I don't speed. I am grateful to the police. Why? Because if I am honest with myself, I was thinking about other things and I wasn't concentrating on the road. क्योंकि मैं रोड पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट ही नहीं कर रहा था. यू हैव टू बी ऑनेस्ट टू योर सेल्फ. आई वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट अदर थिंग्स. क्यों आप स्पीड कर रहे थे? बिकॉज यू वर थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग एल्स. मे बी यू वर लिसनिंग टू द म्यूजिक, यू वर लुकिंग हियर एंड देयर. So that's why you were speeding. So I'm so grateful for the police. I'm grateful to the police because it was foolish to put myself at risk speeding with a tire that needed to be replaced. टायर रिप्लेस करने थे, मैंने नहीं किए. I'm foolish. I'm grateful to the police that he caught me. उन्होंने पकड़ लिया. I'm grateful to the police for the wake-up call. Being pulled over did affect me and it will make the watch my speed and drive more carefully in the future. Now I will drive carefully in the future. I'm grateful to the police because somehow I had a wild idea that I could speed because without getting caught and without putting myself in danger. The seriousness of the police made me face up to the fact that I was putting both myself and others in serious danger. I'm thankful to the police. खुद की भी लाइफ डेंजर में डाल रहा था, दूसरों की भी. I am grateful to the police because if I think about my own family being put in danger by other speeding drivers, then I definitely want the police to stop speeding drivers. So that means they are saving my own family ताकि मैं घर आराम से पहुंच जाऊं. I am really grateful to the police for the work they do in trying to ensure the safety of every person and family on the roads. I am grateful to the police. They must see heartbreaking situations every day and all they were trying to do is protect my life and my family's life. I'm grateful to the police for making sure that I arrived home safely and walked through the door to my family as I usually do. I'm grateful to the police because of all the possible consequences that could have stopped me from my speeding. The police pulling me over was the at least harmful consequence and it could have been the biggest blessing of my life. So see how पुलिस का पकड़ना कैसे उसकी लाइफ में कैसे ब्लेसिंग बन गया. That was for good. अगर हमें पुलिस पकड़े तो हम सोचते यार क्यों हो गया, क्यों पकड़ लिया, ऐसे हो गया, वैसे हो गया. I would strongly urge you to take any mistake you have made into your life that you still feel bad about, and in your own time, follow this magnificent and magical practice. So whenever you get time, in your own time, so you have to recall one mistake you did, okay? And think about it. Through one mistake, you have the power to bring many blessings. What else guarantees dividends like that? और इतनी गारंटी कौन देता है? Right? So how you can change your mistakes into blessings? कौन देता है इतनी guarantee that how you can change your mistake into blessings? Dividends means फायदे. What else guarantees benefits like that? इतने benefit कहाँ मिलेंगे? इतनी blessings कहाँ मिलेंगी, right? So magic practice number 26. Magically transform mistakes into blessings. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, and thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Choose one mistake you made in your life. Find a total of 10 blessings you are grateful for as a result of making that mistake and write them down. So you have to choose one mistake and for that you have to write 10 blessings. जैसे उसने लिखा, वो पकड़ा गया, बस उसने ब्लेम करने की जगह he chose to write 10 blessings. Thank you for the police. 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 To help you find blessings, you can ask yourself the question, what did I learn from the mistake? क्या सीखा? पुलिस को थैंक यू करना सीखा. And what are the good things that came out of that mistake? So he made a list of 10. So the same way, we have to make the list. The way I also did when I took the break. Right? Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words. Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Got it? Understood what you have to do? Any doubt? Any doubt about today's session? How you
No,
have
ma'am.
to do and what you have to do? Okay, let me remove spotlight. Yes. Any
I
doubt on
want to
this?
add. I want to add one line. मैंने ना 2 चीजें लिखी हुई थी बट मैं दूसरी वाली बतानी भूल गई सो मैं फर्स्ट वाली शेयर
ओके,
करती
पहले वाली बता दो.
हूँ व्हेन यू told that we are like a person like we always say like we had done this kind of mistakes, right? So what I do when one of my loved ones, whenever people in relationship they are over criticizing to me, so I always talking about that. So my one loved one always told me these lines: जिंदगी गुजर गई दूसरों के नुक्स निकालते निकालते, जिंदगी गुजर गई दूसरों के नुक्स निकालते निकालते, इतना ही खुद को तराशा होता तो क्या तो पता नहीं, मैं भूलते ही जा रही हूँ.
Yeah, I have
फरिश्ते बन
heard.
जाते, फरिश्ते बन जाते,
फरिश्ते बन
इतना ही
जाते.
खुद को तराशा होता तो फरिश्ते बन
फरिश्ते बन
जाते.
जाते. यस, वेरी नाइस, ब्यूटीफुल. जिंदगी निकल गई दूसरों के नुक्स निकालते निकालते. वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल. दैट इज ट्रू.
तो
दैट इज ट्रू.
हाँ,
द
सो
होल डे
दो.
व्हाट आर वी डूइंग?
यस.
किटी पार्टी. इसका उसका, मेरी सुन तेरी सुन, बिकॉज ऑफ हिम, बिकॉज ऑफ हर, थ्रू आउट आवर लाइफ. Like we have been living like this only, blaming, complaining. Right? So every mistake is a blessing. Did you get to know from today's session how we can make our mistake into blessing, how we can transform it, and how we can transform our life as well? So by not focusing on the mistake, fail fast, fail forward. आगे बढ़ो, आगे बढ़ो. हो गई mistake, okay, learn the lesson and move forward. Right? Okay, yes, any question on this?
मैम आई वांटेड टू आस्क कि व्हाट इफ अभी आपने बोला कि ठीक है गाड़ी पकड़ी गई,